The forest was deep and dark. No light shone through the thick leaves. The trees stood tall and silent. They had seen many seasons pass. Animals lived in the forest, but they were afraid. They knew the forest held a dark secret. A cold wind blew through the trees. It seemed to whisper a warning. The whispers echoed through the empty woods. The forest was a place of mystery. It was a place of fear. The ground was covered in dead leaves and fallen branches. The air was heavy and still. The forest held its breath. It was waiting for something. A small stream flowed through the heart of the forest. Its water was dark and cold. It was the only sign of life in this silent place, but even the stream seemed afraid. Baruch was a creature of fear. He was a lion, but much bigger. His roar shook the ground. His eyes burned like fire. He was the terror of the forest. Baruch had not always been a beast. He was once a man. A sorcerer had cursed him. Now he roamed the forest, full of anger and pain. The villagers feared Baruch. They told stories of his might. They said he could crush a man with one paw. No one dared to enter his domain. One day Baruch roared. The sound echoed through the village. It struck fear into the hearts of the people. Baruch was close. He was hungry. The village lay on the edge of the forest. It was a small village, home to kind people, but the villagers were poor, their crops had failed, their children were hungry. The villagers relied on the forest. It provided food and wood, but they were too afraid to enter, not while Baruch roamed free. The elders of the village met. They discussed the problem. They knew something had to be done. They needed to appease Baruch. An old woman spoke. She had heard stories of the curse. She said only a pure heart could break it. But who would risk their life to face the beast? Arman was a young man of the village. He was known for his kind heart and his courage. He had heard the elders' worries. He knew he had to act. Arman's family was starving. He could no longer bear to see their suffering. He decided to face Baruch. He would find a way to help his people. Arman knew the risks. He had heard the stories, but he was not afraid. He believed in the goodness of people. He believed he could reason with Baruch. Arman prepared himself. He took his axe and a loaf of bread. It was all he had left. He walked toward the forest. He would face the beast and save his village.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe, follow and Arfa videos, Urdu and English.